Brad Williams, Excel primed. Place unique automakers into unsorted and sorted columns. We're going to incorporate the unique with the TOCOL. The only problem is Excel 365 has a tough time dealing with duplicates. Hit F9. We're going to run into this spill problem. Hit F9, where the output, because we're using unique, going to produce this data. And I have not verified this. I don't know if it's accurate, but you kind of get the gist here of what we're trying to accomplish. We have a 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a 3 by 6 list here. That means we have 16. 3 times 6 is 18. We have 18 here. And if we take 18 minus 4, it's saying in this list, we have 14 original. Well, we know we have 2 BMWs. We have multiple Rivians. We have multiple Saturns. We have 3 Saturns. Right off the bat, we know we can get rid of this BMW. That's 1. Rivian, that's 2. Saturn, that would be 2 additional. And that's 4? No, because we have to include the Saturn. You kind of get the idea of where I'm going here. Here, it seems to be working. Over here, we have it unsorted, the unique sorted. Recognize we have Acura, Dodge, Fiat, GM, Honda, Affinity, Porsche. What are we doing? Sort, unique, TOCOL. I'm not going to go through and break this down. If you're having trouble understanding how this works, you can take a look at my other tutorials, the formula tutorials, which cover all of this comprehensively. I have a beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Cover all of this in detail. Right here, this is just a plain unique. You need to break this down. You can chop this up into pieces and see what it looks like. We used to be able to do that. We used to be able to take this, and on the online version you can't do it, but on the desktop you can use F9 and tear this thing all to pieces. Otherwise, take the sort, break it down piece by piece, unique, so on and so forth. Read the anatomy. Read this piece by piece to get an idea. The only change here is the sort, and we're only including the array, and the unique, again, is its own array, and then the other array. Dealing with arrays, allowing this thing to sort here, makes it even easier in that we are just using unique in order to clean this thing up and identify our unique automakers. Using the unique TOCOL, then we're going over and we're using, well, we're only using the data here. Work it out. Study it. Try to visualize it. Otherwise, break it apart piece by piece. What do I mean by that? You see where this says sort, unique, TOCOL? You break this apart and you go equals TOCOL, B5 to D10, you're going to get this list. Then, if you take unique equals unique, well, it's already done. Then if you take sort, this combine, there you go. Self-explanatory. Brad Williams, Excel primed.